Alright everybody, a video that nobody wants to make. 5140 broke down. We got lucky. We just got into one of our properties where we have a couple fields. I'm on my phone here, so it's a little shaky, but we literally are like 15 feet off the road here. We just got the tedder in here, and the engine oil pressure light came on. It had come on the other day for like a second, and I shut the tractor down and made sure that the oil, everything was good in it, and it never came back on. That was like almost 2 weeks ago, and it just came on as I pulled in here. So I don't know if it's an electrical issue or if the pump is going or what's going on right now. So here we sit waiting for some help to arrive. I called local mechanic that does some tractor work and things, and I think they're going to come out and put a oil pressure gauge on it, like an actual gauge that you can hold in your hand and read, see if there's oil pressure, and from there we can determine whether there's something more internal wrong or if it's just a sensor that is bad. So I will update you a little bit later as I know what's going on. Alright, we're tedding hay. I'm getting off course here because I'm farting around with my phone. We still have the oil pressure gauge. That's just a testing gauge. I mean, it works fine, but that was what we had. We left it on there, and now I have to kind of watch that because we're not sure if it was the sensor or sending unit for the oil pressure that was bad, or if there's another issue. We did not have, obviously, on Saturday afternoon, we did not have, couldn't get a hold of that sensor. So, there we are. To try and put it in and then see if it comes back on or not. So there won't be any lights on up on the dash now because the sensor's been removed. So that's what I'm doing now. I am back to tedding hay, hour and a half later, and I got to keep an eye on that gauge down there for the rest of the day, and we'll see what happens. So sorry this video is so shaky and kind of crappy quality, but again, I'm on my phone bouncing around here, so just trying to keep you updated, and I'll let you know how things go at the end of the day.